I'm falling to pieces, wondering why we didn't stop us shattering before it all came undone. If the tears didn't fall